it.
Santa Claus is coming to town?
Santa Claus is coming to town. He's easy when you're sleeping.
He didn't show us the first part. Showing Santa Claus is coming.
Okay, I'll start it. Oh, you better watch out.
Better not fight. Santa Claus is coming.
No, she did it a wrong way.
Well, then you do it, Will.
No, I want to do.
Will.
I want to do whatever I want to. I want to do it the however I want to. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping.
Don't take a picture.
He knows if you're awake.
She's singing that
He
low.
knows if you're battle.
I need my glasses.
Goodness sake. Better not cry. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows if you're awake. He knows if your battle gets again. For goodness sake.
Good job. Hey, can you tell me the Thanksgiving story?
No.
Why? But you did it the other day at school.
I can't.
Do you want to tell it to the camera so we can send it to Gran and Papa and Grandma and Granddad and Uncle Jay and Aunt Sarah?
I could. Aunt Sarah can't get it.
Why?
He's sick.
Well, that's why we'll send it to her. Okay. Say bye to the camera.
Die.
How old are you, Kate?
3.
How old are you, Will?
5.
Okay. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.